Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to add non-contacts to a folder on Telegram web using your PC. This feature is part of Telegram's latest update, making it easier than ever to organize your chats. Let's dive in. First, open Telegram web on your browser. If you're not logged in yet, make sure to enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're in, you'll see your chat list and folders displayed on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, locate the folder where you want to add non-contacts. Right-click on the folder name from the top side menu. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, select Edit Folder. This option allows you to modify the contents and settings of your chosen folder. Now, click on Add Chats. A new window will appear with various filtering options. Look for the checkbox labeled Non-Contacts and select it. This will include chats with users who are not saved in your contact list. Telegram makes it simple to group these conversations without mixing them with regular contacts. Once you've selected non-contacts, review your changes and click Save. This action confirms your updates and adds the selected non-contact chats to your folder. You'll now see them neatly organized within that specific folder whenever you access it. And there you have it. You've successfully added non-contacts to a folder on Telegram web using your PC. This feature is perfect for keeping track of conversations with people outside your contact list, while maintaining a clutter-free chat interface. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore more features Telegram offers to enhance your messaging experience. See you in the next tutorial.